Hi there, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. So here we are using a thin scarf. Wear it, roll it around. Now tie a simple knot like this and you are done. The next one, button the scarf with your shirt like this. Now tuck it in and wrap the other side around your neck and you are done. The next one, wear your scarf, tie a knot at the side like this. Now make a loop of the other side and pass it through the knot. Now pull the knot and open the loop like this, set it and you are done. So next we are using a long thin scarf. Pass it through your belt and you are done. And here is the final and fashionable look. I hope you are going to like it. So next, wear your scarf, tie a knot at its side. Now fold the other side and pass it through the knot. Now set the scarf, open the folds and you are done. Next again we are using a thin scarf. Wrap it around your neck once. Now pass the side through the scarf like this and you are done. In the next one we have made a loop. Now wear your scarf and pass both of the sides through the loop and you are done. In the next one, wear your scarf, roll both of the sides and tie a knot behind your neck and you are done. In the next one we are using a square scarf. Fold it. Now take both of the edges, fold it again. Now give it zigzag folds. Wear it around your neck. Now take the folds between the two edges like this and tie a knot. Tie a knot again. Now set it and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.